just removed the radio from this Nissan Micra. Remove this top panel, it comes off fairly easily. Undo the two screws. I might have to remove that key, because that's annoying. So take those out. I think we've got to undo the screws that are underneath here. I can't really remember. It's been a little while. Dropped that on the ground, but anyway. It doesn't hurt to undo screws if you're not sure, because you can always put them back in. This trim should come out. No, the whole thing comes out. It's fairly straightforward, I think so. Now just unplug the connectors at the back of the radio, and the rest should be hopefully quite obvious how you remove the radio. Anyway, thank you.